So we started receiving lectures upon lectures, sleepless nights, and every day he's praying, he goes on his knees 4 hours. The knees will be bleeding. I'll be asking myself, you have the power to heal? You are very famous. At least at your level you are comfortable. What else are you looking for? This man I could make you spend 4 hours on your knees praying. One day he took us to the mountain. We're about 6 or 7 of us. So all of you join me at the prayer mountain. We're going to pray on a beach sand on a sunny day. I thought this was a joke. That was my first time of experiencing torture on my knees. When I say torture, I was crying, but nobody could help me. But man of God was smiling while he was on his knees. Say later you know the value of what you are doing. We were on our knees on a very sunny day, hot sun for hours. While he was in front, the rest wise men, then ordinary men. Ordinary men. I'm talking about Racine, Christopher, John Chi, Harry, and host of other disciples were on their knees. I, for one, I decided to change my prayer point when I was tired. From Lord have mercy, bless us, bless me, forgive me my sins. That was the prayer point he gave to us. Forgive me my sins, accept me into your covenant room, and make me a vessel unto honor. That was the prayer point he gave to us. But I changed it because I was tired. I said, Lord, tell this man to stand up. I'm tired. That's from the front there. He turned and looked at me. He said, Daniel, what are you saying in your heart? I was marveled. How did this man know what I was meditating? Say, sir. I said, I was saying, God should make you stand up. I said, no. If you change your prayer points, you lose the promise of God. Jesus Christ paid the price to bring salvation to you. And I'm paying the price to make you responsible. And you want to lose the grace? I prostrated. I said, Master, I'm sorry. Instantly, I changed my prayer point to God forgive me for being a rebellious child. That was all. After then, I went back home. For 3 days, I could not kneel down. I could not bend down because of blisters and sore on my knees. But because the prophet was used to it for years, his leg was like stone. The knee, if you tap it, you hear a sound as if you're knocking at the door. But after 2 years, I became used to it. Now by the grace of God, I can go on my knees for hours without any pain. Can you see the price Prophet TB Joshua paid to bring someone like me up?